a migration, there's a movement from professional high-end printers to this desktop space of 3D printing, and I'm very, very excited to be able to contribute my experiences in that space moving forward.
We just heard your great keynote speech. Now I wanted to ask you how long Makerbot's been in business and where you guys are located.
We're located in Brooklyn. We've been around since 2009, so we've been in business since then.
What are some of the challenges of being a company here in the U.S. instead of sourcing out overseas?
Well, first of all, we're very proud that all our manufacturing, everything we do with Makerbot is inside Brooklyn, so that's cool for us. Our main challenging remains in educating our market and educating customers to understand the value that we can bring to them through this technology. That remains our biggest challenge.
Now, who are these printers really targeted for? Is it the everyday person? Is it the big business, small business?
So our printers are really targeting every individual out there that wants to be creative, and that's really sort of who we target. It could be the designer, it can be the engineer, it could be a tinker or a maker at home, it could be a teacher or a student at school. Our role is really to empower and facilitate the individual to be as creative, as innovative as possible through this technology. That's what we do.
For the everyday person, what is the retail cost for one of the printers?
So our retail price starts at around $1,500 and go all the way up. So that's what our entry-level printers start at.
And what are some of the challenges that 3D printing has faced in the past, and where do you guys see the future?
Our challenge is in trying to read the map correctly. As leaders in this field, we're trying to continually figure out what the next thing will be and how we can better facilitate our customers. So we have to continually think 2 steps ahead, and that's our biggest challenge, because this space is moving really, really fast. And so we have to try to not move not only as fast as our customer, but even faster. So that's our biggest challenge. But we grew 600% in the last 2 years, so we're growing very, very quickly, and we're positioning ourselves as leaders. So we're very proud of that.
What are some of the things you guys have in the work for the future, and where do you see the future of 3D printing? Do you feel like everybody will have it in their house one day?
So I think one of the key benefits that I bring to the equation of Makerbot is my past in this industry. So I'm very familiar with the professional platform space, sort of the higher end 3D printers out there. And so there's a lot of know-how that I am familiar with to how to better serve that audience. And what we're seeing is that this audience is shifting into the desktop 3D printing space. And so we're definitely going to use the know-how and the experience I have from the previous Stratasys life to bring it into Makerbot, and that's, I think, where this industry is going. We're sort of attracting professional users into the desktop space, and that's where we're heading.
And usually you print with plastic. Is there any plans in the future of using other materials, whether it's metal?
Well, we have composite materials that we launched in the beginning of the CES, so we have very interesting materials, whether it's maple or iron. We're definitely venturing into a new space of materials coming out later this year, and we're continually improving improving our materials. One of the great advantages of having the Makerbot Stratasys equation is that Stratasys has a great great range of different materials, so we're definitely going to try to tap in to see how we can use that knowledge on our printers.
Well, there's lots to look forward to. Thank you so much for speaking with us. I'm Lauren Keating with Tech Times.
Thank you.